Arnayanram Buluvinaka, and hello to our viewers on FBC TV and on the Fiji government Facebook page. You're watching the live coverage of the Ratu Sukuna Day celebration right here at Churchill Park in Lautoka. A blessed Ratu Sukuna Day to you all, our viewers, joining us live from the comfort of your homes. Today, we invite you to join us in spirit as we commemorate the legacy of Ratu Sir Lala Sukuna with the theme Ratu Sukuna, the vision to build, the courage to lead. Our chief guest today is the Deputy Prime Minister, the Honorable Viliame Ngavoka. And this year's celebration serves as a reminder to all Fijians to continue building on that vision through education, service, responsible leadership, and national unity. So welcome. So good to have you join us today at Churchill Park as we celebrate and commemorate the life and the legacy of one of Fiji's most influential leaders, Ratu Sir Lala Sukuna.
Dhalavina malo ambula nimbulavinaka. Na vekinda bagiti kaya na rara libungo na Churchill Park Lautoka and kena may boy veritiko na sango mbimbi vagamati ni tu and anonda bona numa batatiko na nonrambula na turang na italaya sambale Ratu Sir Lala Sukuna. And kena ulutanga irto baro taka na tamba daga kay tuke and mbaki ngo na value taki rayawa kaya butake na yalonganga and kena na numi kobiti kena kaumbula na bibo na numi bekenda na kena bambimbi taki na buli na benga rabi raramba na value taki binaka na dua bata baga mati ni tu baba nua baga bewekani and dua na non rai bosa na turang na talaya sambale and na senga ni mati ke senga na kenda ke senga na menda and na mati nga ke senga na wekanda nikinda baiti na boronga kena sarsar my FBC TV kabakaki na nabat in Facebook page ni nonda mati nito na Fijian government and kena bali levi tu keni beke mani na songo mbimbi na songo langi boro taki tu bakata kena ndona ngauna me mai bakai vera na moira ni nonda vanua ke me atiku kina na singa na noa me na korni bule rato ya butakina na nonda bule me na Wairuku Primary School ni kuwa na tubu ka me bakai vera na Churchill Park Lautoka kar sandambe o ira na viturang mbale na bono boturang kabakaki na vera bagai lese vake mati ni tu irna len buno irna ngoni buli en nondan dua bata ki memne tiko en ngona rara na Churchill Park bakaki na vekim ni na sarsara tiko mai na nomni lamni bebu bale en FBC TV kabakaki na bat in Facebook page ni nonda mati ni tu en rara levu na Churchill Park ni sureti mo ni nandambi ka sarsara tiko mai ni ndandono makatiko na singa ni bakadangi.
Thank you very much मिलिका और तमाम दोस्तों का हार्दिक स्वागत और इस्तकबाल हम कर रहे हैं वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग बुलविना का आज चर्चिल पार्क लौतोका से और उस महानुभाव का आज हम यहाँ पर उनकी याद में एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम जो है रातु सुकुना डे पर कर रहे हैं जिसका एक अच्छा ऐसा थीम रखा गया है 2026 का। तो आज के जो हमारे मुख्य मेहमान हैं ये और कोई नहीं है, ये है डिप्टी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ फीजी माननीय विलियम गाफू का। इनका हार्दिक स्वागत जो है अभिभावक रूप से यहाँ पर किया जाएगा। अन्य जो डिग्निटीज़ हैं यहाँ पर हुए हैं और साथ में जो हमारी जो जनता है यहाँ पर भी उपस्थित है। तो FBC TV पर लाइव आज यहाँ चर्चिल पार्क लौतोका से और फीजी गवर्नमेंट पेज पर जिसको लाइव आप देख रहे हो, जिसका लाइव प्रसारण हम आप तक चर्चिल पार्क लौतोका से पहुँचाएंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, shall we all rise?
Abscess! Salute! Abscess! Salute! Rail! We'll remove address! Remove address! Stand! Ice!
Please be seated. Akirisan na turan na ibatawan na muli karena may taglub sa kinilikian na bukun na italatala sa muli. Ladies and gentlemen, the Tower of Namoli will be blessing our ceremony today on behalf of the Talatalangkase of Namoli.
Sabi kinda bagsakati ko na yata taliningon ito rangot Jesu Kristo. Yan na matakan sa gabinakan dinday. Ironin na may sotabatan na loman ni raralim ko. Na may banan naman ito kina indo ng bula. Sa mayang awalib na loman ni nonda. Puno loman ni obiti. Kangungoy letabin renre. Asambalolo tingani banan nanu. Asa wewe ningusun na tal notakan na bikair baidora. Kena bikai re dobrawa, kena bikai re rawata. Ko pambota ni do tani nan raki baru takana kalau menda maindo wata kina na singa binani kuah. Kau sa kinda bagi kenda na marau na reki na yada de rendundu na yada Jesu Kristo na nonda turanga ko na nonda ibu kambula. Ono wasa nga ndo na tikina lalaka ni bero ya sa nando manda na nonda masu. Enda sa ngoli bona kalo na masu. Imami sa kinda bagi kemuni na kalau lebu. Nakalo dedere, nakalo gangga, nakalo bayu kuku, nakalo bagai serau. Kalau sandom bau, sando meni kubur-bur kena kaki dengan sasini kina, bei benua ke ira rasati kina. Mami sati usahana no meni serau, ki mami wana no maindo usahana no meni temata. Ki mami sangan revi ke meni nakalo, ene mami ti kongo ni bosa rawe ki mami. Nimberni ki mami ngai rongoda na boni tuba kena boni bosa. Beleta na nomani bosa e dedere mai na bosa kede ngai tungo i burabura. O koe ki mami sangan revi ke moni kina, e na iau na kongo, kai liu tegi ke mami manda, watamboe na ngono go me rongo manda na ndomo moni, ke na nomani bosa ni vayanga te keu na nomani temata. E ne adai Jesu nga na ne mami turanga, kai wambulandina ndo nga. Wala ipola verme feso, na kena wase rua, na tikina ngai tini. Kana i voltambu, ninda sa nona dakadaka, sa daka menda tuwa te kei Karisto, Jisu, me ia na i vala vinaka, o koea sa varu taka i liu na kalou, menda kitaka wakakina. Waroro te gina kalou, e na raramani nona bosa mai wili ki vikenda na singa vinaka i dindai. Vidangana waka sa maleleko na numa me undola vikenda kina, e na kiana maro te gisa katiko na singa vinaka i dindai. Kena matai ngā, e vola tiko paula vera me feso, e vana numire tiko kina, mera kila, ni o ira era nona dakadaka na kalou. E wawandeo wawalangi, e tukuna tiko wango, workmanship. We are his workmanship. O wandeu dana bosango, e vola itu kena i wakamadala, a work of art, se a masterpiece. E mbale vendu se tiko, o Paula Verme Efeso, vendu se tale tinga vikenda na singa indai, ni o kenda, e sangani dhaka, me rawanga, e nda dhaka waka matau saranga mai vei koia, na ndau ni vei mbuli. Se o lako mai vei, se o sudu mai vei, e nda kaoni ka ambuli mana wero i teni, ia sa dhaka waka matau saranga na nomu mbula ki na nongu mbula. Me va indu se tiko o Paula, me nda kilatiko, ni o kenda, o iko wataki iau, o ira wataki kenda, enda sa nona dhaka. Se mani wadava na tangende ni deder ni panuan daru yadava. Daru wana numatu ni kua, nona mbula, durang na talai sambali. Lewa ni kaira rawata, kena vi kaira tonga, wai wala. Membaleta na non rambula, menda mai wana numira kina na singenda indai. Ia e kai tiko o Paula, durang na talai sambali, e nona dhaka telenga na kalu. Wekenda telenga, na wekani anda sa tigo rao na singenda indai. Wekenda na weles-lesi ni matentu. Velu taki, ramata takati umai, na nonda liuli ni matentu. Yana singa vinaka indai. Wekaya na singa indai, wekenda anda lolo virasara. Tamata wale rani dhavuti. Wevatu satu na singa indai na kai o Paula. Si mani wadava. Na kemo i rongo sa na kemo i tuvaki se mani wadava na tangende ni kao rawata. Kai tinga Paula iko nona dhaka tinga na kalau. O kenda enda sa nona dhaka na kalau. Dona bosa unda dhavuta pagawasuma. There is something that God needed to do on earth that requires your presence. Yan bambalen dona kai veda kava na kalau i bura umbasi kamikina. Yan abuna rin semati kenda kina na bosa dhavuta Paula. Ni o kenda enda sa nona dhaka. E nona dhaka na kalau. Kay vati kori kenda na duin-duin ni vano menda semakina. Merawan ninda li tumbuki na kavua, kavarai takatinga na irai-rai, ninda sa nona dhaka tinga na kalu. Kaindo tal na bosa dabuta tigo koya, me ia na ivala e vinaka, ni savaro takau stu na kalu, kena babande o tingo, savaro takau stu na kalu e liu, na ivala o kenda menda kita kanga bakakina. Embal sindo na kava o enda mai da kava. Na kake de savaru taka o stu na kalou. Kanan daw ni same ndonan rautol sa ngabul kaono. Tuna bango na nona bosa ton rautol sa ngabul kadiwa tikinetin kaono. Tuna bango na nona bosa nan daw ni same ni usava kana bulu wali kembambar se tiko ngai keti. Tuna bango ko sa kuneya una matamu ni. Sa voleo tikede na tikingu na nomu ni bola kembambar kakede membaleti iko sa voleo titu na nona bola na kalou. Sangkai bonga na nonda rumbasi kamai mendarugai mai lako durumanga na kasavaru takau tina kalu. Kwen du seti ko Paula na singindai na raramani nona bosa veira mai Efeso. Kabe vana numi kenda na singindai na nonda mai vana numi tikuen dua na tangani ni viti. Dua na tangani ni nonda vanua. Mai vana numi kenda tigo na singindai. No mumbula kina no gumbula. Na ivala sa varu takau tuna kalu. Sangkai bonga o iko batakiyau. Mendaru lako duruma na ivala vinakaya. Nimbera nindaru yaliani. Kata lengango me kendaru indivitiko. Na nondaru mbula ken nondaru vala ndaru sambita tumai. Sa kenra indivi sakatiko na turanga talai sambale. Enda sa may bana no matiko sa kavida ni ambaki tingo non ta may bana no matiko. Non rambula. Iyo sa ni takatiko ke munisa na kangu. Enda na senga ni tao nga bua. Enda na sasangataka. Menda rawata talanga na isau-sau me rawa ni rabana no mikenda kinoir na wakanda. Me rawa ni nda zavu isau-sau talanga okenda. Me rawa talanga ni kenda indivi ni ngona sayali ni kina. Ia kai tu na ibola tambu. O kenda. Enda ndonu menda durumanga na bala ni mbola sa baru takailu na kalau. Menda kita ka bakakina. No mana marama. Ka boroka na tawa wiwai. Naritandina. Aras dunromi ko na tisepeli. Kaiwa. Hey, ngore mele boli taki. Kai tu na bango chisu do kako ni dunrobira. Kako ni dunromi ko ya. Wala turnan rabu na tunga bat ki kamuni. Yo kona marama go sa kabo ko ndana zaka. Kana weli tukuni talanga na banua. Kaya ndole buno kina mesake na indivi. Boroka na tawa wiwai. Nan raw ni uluna kay sulot akina na havay non turanga ko dedere dake mai ve kenda kede na tingo. Ko chisu Kristo na non turanga na non dai bambula. Sanga ni raw ve kenda endua me raw ni bambula ko ese bakure no non singa. Enda sa tiko ngango ena boku ni non lolo mendondonga. Ia kai tiko ni bol tambu. Bono kede ndo laki buno kina. Galai tala nota kana kasa da kaba na maramgo me kena indivi. Emunisa na kangu. Sa kenra indivi tiko na turanga tali sambali. Nonta mai vana no musakati ko na singendendai. Na vei kaira da kava. Na vei kaira rawata. Kena vei kaira tosoya. Kena ndel ningona nonra veli taki ena nonda banua. Ia sa vadava na taro ve tarong ni kua. Vadava na kemu indivio iko. Ningona iko sayali kina. Na dava na ka erna vana numi ko kina na we kamu. Kai tuka na ibola tamu. Mo kilati ko niko sa nona dhaka nga na kalo. O ia na ibala-bala. E vinaka sa baru takiliu na kalau ndon mo kita ka bakakina. Ia endon na vosa tiko ilomaya etu ni tu bango. Akanda zaka menda tu vata ke Kristo. Kanda zaka menda tu vata ke Kristo. O baka sa mtakatiko na nona tuban na Paula na nona bosa. Sa tomboka raw ko se Sunday raw ilomana nikilako koya. Na ivala vinaka ni okoya nona zaka na kalau. And ondano me kita ka na ivala vinaka. Ia na ivala vinaka ngoa na sanga ni rawa ni na baka botu ka na rawa ke bakai sanga ni taka na nona tuba taki Kristo. E muni sana kangu. E na singa vinaka indai. E na sini rawa ni baka botu ka na mai na ivala vinaka sa baru taka utstu na kalau na namumbula. Lepo na kasa insto tagi tumai be kenda. Menda mai barai taka, menda mai mbula taka, me raw ni kenda individu na ngona da sayali ni kina, me bakana turang tele sambali, me bakata ka, na bosa da buta tigo Paula, ke bakawala nga, enda tu bata ke Kristo. E bakati ko endo na fridge, urani ba tuto bata na fridge. Ke bakole bolia mai, o kaya kena inaki, me bakambata batata kana kakana. Ia na fridge ke bakau sematika, ba osanga ni sematiko ya, venandua na source of power. Na liba men ronro kina na senga ni na daga taka mo ko na inaki akau mai kina. Aba bale na mai ba oso sotunga. E vaya na nondambula ke monisa kana bekani. We cannot function without Christ. Usabe ba ungeti kina na senga ndendai ke bakaen dona kaen bimbi mendarawata en ambulango se ko na nonda tubata ke Kristo. Iku mo daga taka na nomo tubata ke Kristo. Baleta na kay sera ka mai tumba. Ko na kandina babo tuitu na kalau ina nomumbula. Ko insto taka tuma na kalau nomumbasi ka mai bura mama idaka. Mera ni babo tu kana kina na bosa o adabu tu ka mai liu. There is something that God needed to do on earth that requires your presence. Yan ang kay bataw tsunga. Kaya bakao sa semantiko mo kabinaka be Chisu Kristo. Ikabasa nga na wakangu tsoniti ni kalima. Do tu veyau. Tau tu ve kemdo. Kaya bando tawasta ni veyau. Siniraw endo na ka. Siniraw endo na ka. Kaya mambal sabi kahit yung Kristo. Kaya ba osema veya wanang kay buwa binaka. Tambana dava nga utukina. Mata nitu, mata ivalu, nambanua, kaya na lotu ni osema kina. Ko osema binaka tu ve Kristo na lay buwa nga. Kaya nga ilebo na kao, mbita tumay, me kemo indivir, nga talnotaka. O ira na wakamu, wakakin na nasingenda inda may bana numusati ko na non rambula na turang tali sambali en na buku ni ka sa may imbito bikenda en sa may bana numa mekendra indivi sa katiko kay moni sana wakang gulomani e ba sanga ninda tuwa ta kay Kristo en na mawali nakanda sa sangataka baleta na daba Baleta na nonda sema be Kristo nangai serakan dinamai. Nangai buan dinamai. Kona kandi na vina kati me bua mai. Merani daga takakia na nakalou na lomana i bura. Au kai tiko. Nangu tevo tiko. O kenda enda sa nona daga tinga nakalou. E vena bono sama kina. E vena bono tukina iko nona daga tiko nakalou. Ia na daba moda kava. Moda kava tinga na i vala vinaka sa varu taka o te liu nakalou. Oi ko mangai mai mbula taka ngai bura. Ia nangai rawatanga ya. Ke waka sema tiko babinaka. Vei Jisu Kristo. Ke waka sema babinaka. Ke waka semberni sema na wakangu. Sema tiko. Baleta na nomu bua na batau tagi tiko na nomu sema. Vei Kristo. Ni taka ni na waka lunga taka na kalou. Na rarama ni bosa. Do labi saka tiko kena. Na nonda songo na singa binaka indai. Sandua na nonda masu. Yo moni sana kalou. Mami wabi ne vinaka ni oni sa bosa rau veki mami. Oni sa ando lava rau veki mami na ni mami songongo. I mami ndau vadengu ni oni sa teke buna rau na kalon leo bonga. Baleta na teke bu vinaka o kemuni. Kaya baka ki mami sanga ni mami ngule dhavi kemuni. Ia na kalon leo bonga. Na ndau mbasi ka ngaki na nruka. Ndau mbasi ka ngaki na kalon leo bonga na mandua. Eki mami wabi ne vinaka ni ki mami sa teke bu rau veki muni. Iki mami sureti ke moni talanga na kalau. Ena songongo. Mami sakira na kalau ni leo bunga moni tiko kina. Ilago duro mabat ke mami. Kena ngada matai lalai eso. Mami sanu itaka na kalau ni oni na tiko ngabat ke mami. Iba kalau ngatataka. Na ituba ni vengarabi ni singin dendai. Na bosa. Na daba taleso tamay ki mami. Nang garabi ni singin dendai ki mami sakira. Moni tiko kina ka ba kalau ngatataka. Baleta ni mami lago durumati ko ni mami kilanyo ni sa va kalong at takaw tinakalo. Ang gorisana po ang gani maso sa dambo be ke moni tato naki kadambore ni kina. Venga rabe ni singa indai ene ada ichisu nga na ni mami turanga kay buwan bulan dina andon nga. Amen.
Da baka binibinaka tiko lebu na kena sama ibaga durian na nonda lotu mani ibaga tawa na moli. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will now ask the Deputy CEO Itoke Affairs Board, Josefa for his welcome.
Ride will replace dress. Replace dress. Ride. Shut. Ride. Stand. Ice.
Nisam Bulabinaka, and a very warm welcome to you all. It is my great honor to welcome our chief guest, the Honorable William Mengaboka, our Deputy Prime Minister. Sir, we are deeply honored that you could grace this occasion, and we are deeply privileged by your presence today. I also extend our heartfelt greetings to the members of the diplomatic corps, the turanga sakani bonua and alomo sakani sanomba, turanga ministers, the chair of the GCC, the permanent secretaries, CEOs, our dedicated teachers, our bright students who are here with us today, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to you all. Today, as we gather to commemorate the life and legacy of Ratu Sukuna, we are reminded of his enduring vision and courage. His journey from scholar to soldier, from leader to statesman, continues to inspire us. As I welcome us today's occasion, I wish to remind us of the vision for this year. The vision for Ratu Sukuna Day 2026 is the vision to build the courage to lead. Ratu Sukuna believed in building institutions that safeguard the Tokay and strengthen Fiji. Establishment of the Native Land Trust Board and also the Fijian Affairs Board was not just about protecting land, it was about building foundation for unity, security, and progress. Leadership for Ratu Sukuna was never about privilege, it was about service, sacrifice, and courage. As we celebrate this day, let us honor his legacy by embracing both vision and courage in our lives. As I welcome you all, let us build with foresight and lead with strength. On behalf of all gathered here, Minister for Ethiopian Affairs, on behalf of the Minister for Ethiopian Affairs and the Commissioner Western Division, I once again welcome you to this commemoration. May our reflections today inspire us to carry forward Ratu Sukuna's vision to build with purpose and to lead with courage. Once again, a very warm welcome and Bula Binaka. Nabaliw.
Right! Right!
Let us all rise for the march in review order.
Right! We'll advance in review order. And Santa. Quick, ma! Right! Officers! Salute! Officers! Sir! Right, standard! Ice!
Please be seated. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Ratu Sukuna Day address by the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister of Fiji, Honorable William Ngaboka.
Minister for Ethiopian Affairs, the Honorable Ifremi Vasu, Tandrahana Vanua, members of the Diplomatic Corps,
the chairman and esteemed members of the Mboseleba Katuranga, senior government officials, special administrators of Lautoka City Council, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Dolabina, and a very good morning to you all. May I begin by paying my deepest respects to the traditional custodians of the land upon which we gather today. Inaba biango ni bitongo, orlebu hukanarangi, na biango na chibitongo, and to their leaders past and present. I acknowledge with gratitude the enduring stewardship, wisdom, and unwavering commitment to preserving the culture, dignity, and sacred traditions of this Vanua. May the Almighty continue to bless the Vanua Bitongo and all its custodians with strength, wisdom, unity, and prosperity for generations yet to come. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor and privilege, not just as a minister, but as a Fijian, to join you today for our national celebrations of Ratu Sukuna Day 2026 here in Lautoka, the Suka City, the gateway to our Western Division. Today, we gather to remember a man and to honor a statesman, a scholar, and a soldier whose vision helped shape the very foundations of modern Fiji, Ratu Lala Sukuna. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's theme, Ratu Sukuna, the vision to build, the courage to lead, is both timely and deeply significant. Now, we find ourselves at a time where the character of nations is measured not just by the economy, but by the moral and social challenges that confront our people every day. It is in these times when the future seems uncertain that the steady hand of principled leadership matters. Ratu Sukuna understood that leadership was never about privilege. It is about duty. It is about sacrifice. It is about having the foresight to build for generations one may never live to see. He was a bridge between tradition and modernity, between the wisdom of the Vanua and the demands of a changing world. Ladies and gentlemen, the enduring influence of Ratu Sukuna can still be seen in the lives of those leaders who followed in his footsteps. Leaders who carried forward the values of service, dignity, loyalty, and devotion to nation and Vanua. In this regard, it is fitting that we acknowledge the recent passing of Toke Inasongolada, the former president of the Republic, Ratu Nailatikau. Ratu devoted his life to the service of Fiji. As a military officer, diplomat, statesman, high chief, and president of the Republic, he served with humility, discipline, wisdom, and an unwavering sense of duty to both Vanua and country. His life reflected many of the principles that Ratu Sukuna himself stood for: honorable leadership, national unity, respect for tradition, and service above self. As we commemorate Ratu Sukuna Day today, we also honor the memory of Ratu Epeli, a son of Fiji, whose contribution to nation building will long be remembered with gratitude and respect. May he rest in eternal peace. Ladies and gentlemen, Ratu Sukuna once reminded us to proceed expeditiously but prudently. In the Itoke language, it says, "Nivakusakusa, ya nivakusakusa wakamalua." Those words remain profoundly relevant in our national journey. Every generation of Fijians inherits something from Ratu Sukuna. not just institutions he built or the land rights he defended, but a standard of service. A reminder that leadership should not be built on privileges or rank, but the duty of care it brings. In many ways, he laid the foundation of the economic development we build on today. So we should ask ourselves as we gather here, are we worthy of what he left us? As a nation, we must continue to move forward with confidence and ambition, developing our economy, expanding opportunities for our people, strengthening tourism, modernizing civil aviation, and building stronger connections between our islands and the world. But progress without wisdom can weaken a nation just as surely as stagnation. We must therefore advance carefully, responsibly, and with deep regard for the values that define us as a people. Ladies and gentlemen, if I can touch on tourism, we often speak of Fiji as a destination of warmth, happiness, and welcome. But what truly distinguishes Fiji is not simply the beauty of our beaches and our resorts. It is the spirit of our people. It is our culture. It is our deep-rooted values of community, respect, and service that live in everything we do. These are the very values Ratu Sukuna devoted his life to protecting, values that continue to shape who we are and guide who we are becoming. As we welcome the world to our shores, we are called to do more than simply grow. We are called to grow in purpose, to ensure that every step forward strengthens our communities, uplifts our people, safeguards our heritage, and create opportunity and hope for generations yet to come. In that same spirit, every aircraft that lands on our soil brings more than visitors and commerce. It carries trust in Fiji, trust in our stability, in our hospitality, in our safety, and in the promise of our future. And that trust is not given lightly. It is earned through resilience of our people, the strength of our values, and the unity that binds us as one nation. In this unity, this spirit, and this shared purpose that will carry Fiji forward with confidence, with pride, and with an unwilling belief in the future we are building together. Ladies and gentlemen, among the greatest challenges confronting our nation today is the growing threat posed by illegal drugs, and that is a sad reality. This is not a matter for law enforcement alone. It is a test of our social fabric, a test of our homes, churches, temples, our schools, our communities, and our collective resolve as a nation. Drugs rob young people of purpose. They weaken families. They erode discipline and hope. Ratu Sukuna believed that a strong nation could only be built upon educated minds, disciplined communities, and united people. His vision for Fiji was one where young people would rise through learning, hard work, service, and respect for others. That vision remains our responsibility today. We must continue investing in education, youth empowerment, sports, faith-based initiatives, and economic opportunities that give our young people a pathway towards dignity and purpose. For a nation that loses its young people, loses part of the future. Ratu Sukuna also believed deeply in the transformative power of education. He once said, and I quote, "It is our unanimous desire that Fijians should strive and grow in education. We wish them to earn and save money, to use their lands and live peacefully with all. Education is the key to open door of opportunities and success, which will be a source of happiness, peace, and prosperity," unquote. These are not merely words from history. They are instructions for nation building. Education remains the bridge between hardship and opportunity. It remains a safeguard against ignorance, division, and social decline. And as Fiji continues to engage more deeply with the world through tourism, trade, aviation, technology, and international partnerships, our people must be equipped with the skills, discipline, and confidence to succeed in a rapidly changing global environment. Ladies and gentlemen, today's celebrations are not only about remembering the past, they are about renewing our national spirit. Ratu Sukuna's life reminds us that true leadership is grounded in humility, discipline, wisdom, and service above self. He understood that nations are not built in moments of comfort, but through perseverance, unity, and shared sacrifice. As we commemorate Ratu Sukuna Day 2026, let us remind ourselves to building a Fiji that is united, resilient, compassionate, and forward-looking. A Fiji where development reaches our communities, where our youth are empowered, where our traditions remain strong, and where every citizen contributes positively to the future of our beloved nation. To our young people gathered here today, draw inspiration from the life of Ratu Sukuna. Read about him. Ask your parents and grandparents. His journey teaches us that greatness is not inherited. It is earned through discipline, education, courage, humility, and service to others. Your nation needs your talents. Your communities need your leadership. And Fiji's future will one day rest in your hands. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, may the life and legacy of Ratu Sukuna continue to inspire us all to lead with courage, to act with prudence, and to work together in building a stronger and more united Fiji. God bless you and God bless Fiji.
Shall we all rise?
Raid! Officers! Salute! Officers! Sir!
Please be seated.
Before we ask the parade commander to fall out, we shall have the cutting of the cake.
Raid! Standard! Ice!
Ladies and gentlemen, the cutting of the celebration cake of Ratu Sukuna Day. Saranda sulit sa katiukinan na Deputy Prime Minister ni Nonto Banua. Ito piniti main na turangan na turangan na Ratu, turangan na Tubitongo, turangan na minister ni Tamatata kay Tokay. Kaya nga una sa Gomez na Musa kaya nakeke. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the cutting of the cake of the celebration of Ratu Sukuna Day 2026. 3 cheers! Hip hip! Hip hip! Kayla! Back to you, Parade Commander.
Raida! Sa! Standard! Ice! Right! Right! Sun! Standard! Ice! All out the officers! Where are them? Hey! Look, us! Hey! Red sun! Look, us! Red in Matok, from the right. Now one statesman leading. Move to the right, in column of route. Right! Sun!
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to the Fiji Police President. Doon na ba kami binagagawirto naman tibal? Doon na pagkasaw kibirto? Doon na lang pagkasaw Roman level kibirto ng Fiji Correctional Service. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the formal part of the program. A wonderful program this morning. We shall now invite the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister of the Republic of Fiji and the invited guests for refreshment. And now it is a segment of the entertainment, ladies and gentlemen. We shall now call upon the Natambua High School Brass Band. While awaiting the Natambua High School Brass Band, ladies and gentlemen, let us ask DJ to play a very, very lively and very, very extraordinary and very fast music for us this morning to mark the entertainment segment of the program today. The orators that will be helping us today in filling the programs that are from the different schools in Fiji. From Tavua College, we have Sosi Theni Lomani. From Mandroni Evi Public School, we have Thema Andi. And Nawai Secondary School, we have Sailos Indawai. And Tilak High School, we have Bilisi Wulabo Ratu. We will also have, ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Police Brass Band for their entertainment, and also the Natambua Brass Band, High School. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Police Brass Band, ladies and gentlemen, for their entertainment this morning. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the Fiji Police Brass Band.
Salmanda, Lautoka, Lautoka. and you can remember the my. Sir, you can get the and another Policy, and a Lamani Vituna Paki, and Lalabavu, the line of the Bow, Sustra, by Tassi, Bulmata, one of the Pens out of the you will be a cinema can
the Fiji policeman. Tomani wakuri tigana vivo maro tigi weekend. Ina kavi ni senga vinani kwa. Ndambe tiko bukaro tigi kuchika na wekango. Namaka taltinga nelo lama kene yodo miselu wale. Nina yadhe ni weiko. Ina kavi ni senga vinani kwa. Sawanda Lautoka.
Sautiko Lautoka, Sautiko. And on the Reza Tunga in Lumbo and the Nazima Rachel Longo and the Reza Sartunga and Matana Hutu. And the people of Marota can be a tone, the temple of the Visa, and a can of Matamani. Come on, let's go.
My Ramarama, my
two.
Welcome to the Marama. So now RSMS old scholars, Chingori, okay, come on, show them to the west. My.
Macarena.
RSMS all scholars. Come on, RSMS. All scholars. Come on, ladies. I know you can do it. I know you have the spirit. Tosumai. Come on, Sukuna. Somebody.
Nikul nagataga na second into ni Sulembe tumba. Nungal nga mai numay maro mutanga ni singenday. Nikakul lenga. Na isule no maro chuko mai vale. Tos mutanga mai mutamay maro tanga na singkero chuko. Oh, yo, she's coming. Oh, we so me kamatana bai. Dr. Mandara Sulembe turang akira marama bertona Fiji Police Brass Band.
Mandara bakasau manda Lautoka bina wale toigalai. Wananabu. Ya wanasoba. Wadala toigal. Kama nungin numa. Na kila turiri madanga na ubi sa tutongo.
Kongo bikin sakna bekan ni kuri bagal ngol dillo na ibang raun ni biba kamarota kierto ngarota na tabla bagal ni bisa ina kabni singa bina ni kuha iya na nama kita tunga bikin sakna bekan ni be CCB bosa ke batala kira no na biba kamarota kita tunga na ngone huli man na tambua high school brass band erto na tomana karton ba gure tunga na biba kamarota ki bikin sakna bekan ni be diga roti kamane kabni sibenda kama bimbi bikin na to rotango and Churchill Park and go Lautoka no itaki no marota kateletaka na numatiko na be aya siluale na loloma siluale era tinggal ko mertona tamada vaga itu kir tona numa mertona sule li bike muni esora be ka me mbalai tera Sukuna ko me baka na ibiu na dam talam baka iya ke baka na bina kata mena tona nomu o i ko mo mai vaga ita bena ke mungkin kana maro tegi ko na singa bibi ngo na singa ke Ratu Sukuna to talam dar mosa selebu mertona mate lo na Fiji Police Brass Band iya be kendra be kane ni tona burunga gore wara talo go menda sana kinda bagir total tiko na ngone buli man natambua high school ni sana fugaro tala gore mertona sana burma yana kona gore mertona mai tomana ka bagure satiko na veiva ka maro taki vekenda na singa bina kadikua
do badala bagasa so berto na ngone boli may natambua
Weekend na kari ni tekin in tua watal tunga me na rongovan mai tuku so er paro ta tuma na ngone buli me be korne buli ka sa tabuti otiani me bola tra be si bo ser na be si bital tinga kina me be korne buli me be si bitir ngol ting mai en na tua watu me rongovan be ka er bola me bola ta na turanga na tala sambale Ratu Josefa Vanayaliyali Sukuna me na singa bina ko kata me maro to katu na be ka me bola tirango en singa dai ya en na nama ka tala na be ka ro to ka na ngone buli me bola dikena sa kana to di rongo ene ka bini singa bina kadikua
As we wrap up today's event, we wish to thank you all for the past 2 days. We've started yesterday in Wairuku with the launching and also the opening of the GLV Sukuna Memorial Library in honor and remembrance of the late Ratu Sukuna. And now we conclude with today's main celebration here in Lautoka. We thank the people of Ra, the community of Wairuku, Nabatu, and also Rakiraki for yesterday's event. And also we thank the city of Lautoka for today. Thank you for coming to the main celebration here in Lautoka. We thank the Deputy Prime Minister, the Honorable Ngabok, for the event today, gracing today's event, and we are honored by his presence to be the chief guest today. We thank the diplomatic corps and also the Turangani Bonomba, the members of the discipline forces for today's event. We also thank the public, the teachers and students for turning out today to the event, and we thank you for those viewers who are watching online on the Fiji government live stream Facebook page. Vanayaliyali, and we wish you all a blessed and happy Ratu Sukuna Day 2026. Vanayaliyali.
High School ersa vuorotok en mutanda mersa vuorotok komento en ruota sosolila weekenda en mutakan dising binalo ko sabi betul tahu.
Okay lah tahu ni Ratu sa pangarubi na kamay. Tutal man talaga sa mata Lautoka, sa mata. Lautoka, so manda, Lautoka. Sawai Lautoka, sawai. Moruna tinggal langar gol ini rasa langar barang ngara tu nabi kara ni mai bana nabi tukina. Na nombor satu na turun ni talai sambale.
Turanga kena meramal hukum kena wanele au kata kini ke kini serbekanya teman bawa sakitiko. Ela kena mana tadi sakitiko masingin lagi. Masingin bawa boleh berbicara lagi. Tinggal turanga lai talai sambale Ratu se Josefa Lalabalavu Vanayaliyali Sukuna. Ia enta mengaruh seranggo mentala wai romo da seketika ni nabi kaya rasambo bangaro tagaroto kumai nangole buli ene kabini singa benakandai turanga kena merama dhorbo kena ngone lewa mai na korani buli na Tavua College era sa buro sa kamai nanda matai ni VCCB bosa Sosideni Lamani domata kena mosole turanga kena merama dhorbo ngo dhorbo sa ketika mai choma ela tikino na veva ene sana boga turanga ko kandabu ndo talamanda boga sosole bobe turanga na ita saru ronga lele no ndo boga sosa ndo talamanda boga sosole bo turanga kena marama naga boga lebu.
The vision to build, the courage to lead. We cannot in these days adopt an attitude that will conflict with the welfare of those who, like ourselves, wish only to live peacefully and increase the wealth of the colony. If other communities are poor, we too remain poor. If they prosper, we will also prosper. Ratu Josefa Lalabalavu Sukuna. The Honorable Chief Guest, the Deputy Prime Minister, Honorable Mr. William Avoka, distinguished guests, the panel of judges, general public, parents, teachers, students, and my fellow orators. Good morning, namaste, assalamu alaikum, noia, sheshe, nisambula vinaka. I am Sosidin Lamani, a year 10 student of Tavua College. It is a privilege to stand here as a Tavua Education District representative and speak to you today about the theme, the vision to build, the courage to lead. What is vision? What is courage? Vision in our theme refers to our mental image, especially a fanciful one of the future. Courage? Well, courage is the ability to do something that frightens one. In other words, being brave. A famous quote by Ratu Sukuna about vision, leadership, and courage, and I quote, "The test of our worth is the service we render." And I repeat, the test of our worth is the service we render, unquote. Fiji today was once a vision. Fiji today was once a dream. Leaders like Ratu Sukuna had a vision of participation in decision making during colonial time, a vision for equal opportunities, a vision to be represented and to be present. Because of that vision, we are here today. We are gathered here today to commemorate Ratu Josefa Lalabalavu Vanayaliyali Sukuna and acknowledge how his vision came to light. According to Fiji Time, dated June 4th, 2023, and I quote, he was a distinguished scholar, soldier, and a statesman. Most importantly, he laid the basis of economic development of the colony at the back of the sugar and related agro-based industries. This he did when he made possible the opening of the indigenous Fijian traditional land for all those who needed land, unquote. The test of our worth is the service we render. Rome was not built in one day. In the same way, the progress of Fiji did not happen overnight. It took years of sacrifice, wisdom, and determined leadership from great leaders like Ratu Sukuna. His vision helped lay the foundation for the Fiji we know today, proving that true leadership requires patience, hard work, and courage. The test of our worth is the service we render. Ratu Sukuna faced many challenges during his lifetime. Fiji was under colonial rule, education opportunities were limited, and there was great pressure on native land and traditions. Despite these difficulties, he showed wisdom and courage. He worked to unite people, improve education, and protect the identity of indigenous Fijians while guiding the nations towards progress. According to USP website dated 30th May 2024, and I quote, Ratu Josefa Lalabalavu is an inspiring figure in Fijian history who embodies the virtues of a resilient and visionary leader. Unquote. The test of our worth is the service we render. To lead is to have a vision, and to be a leader is to have courage. His efforts to promote understanding and cooperation between different ethnic groups in Fiji pioneered and persist today. Ratu Sukuna believed in the potential for unity in diversity, a vision that continues to resonate in contemporary Fijian society and also helped foster a sense of social cohesion in the nation's early years of self-governance. To end, let me quote about courage and vision from well-known leaders. Action without vision is only passing time. Vision without action is merely daydreaming. But vision with action can change the world. Nelson Mandela. I have a dream. Martin Luther King Jr. The very essence of leadership is that you have to have courage and vision. You cannot blow an uncertain trumpet. Theodore Hesburgh. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the trump over it. Nelson Mandela. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. Mahatma Gandhi. And lastly, and the Tamata Nivala, ia and the best Takanavevala. We are warriors at heart, though we hate war. Thank you, Vinakavakalevu, Danyabad, and may you all have a blessed day.
Betul modal pakasasole bu turang akhirnya merama kebe isu si deni lomani na dorbo uni coma na deba moi kentabu tulis ketika na korebul na tabu college arasa suri di seketika na turang na tuin na waka mer namai sulia seketika na iba kaya ngasiri baka vina kalebu inon robo ita vita kira tia na dorbo uli leongo so si deni lomani men korebul na tabu college na bukan iba isi bi bosa karena karabi seketika ene singendai total modal pakasasole bu turang akhirnya merama wana turang na tuin na waka arasa sulia seketika na iba kaya ngakhirnya iba binaka kibe iso si deni lomani maina korini boli na tabo college ya ersa pakaro sa taltunga maina korini boli na roni ibi public school ko dema andi arza usakati kumai en bono bakaturanga o nambalambala saibo ra mai be turangan naita tosana vambe sarundani be merama matanggali en singa binaka ni kuan total mantar bakasusile bu turanga kian merama we Vema Andi, mainan Rauni Ibi Public School.
Nisa Bulavinaka, and a very pleasant morning to our chief guest, the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, Honorable William Ngaboka, Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, respected teachers, proud parents, and my fellow students. Today, I feel very honored and proud to stand before you. We are gathered here to celebrate the life, the great vision, and the leadership of one of Fiji's greatest heroes, Ratu Lala Sukuna. He was a man of wisdom, a man of courage, a man of service, a leader whose legacy still guides our beautiful country today. Ladies and gentlemen, we do not remember the great leaders because of the power they had. We remember them because of what they helped others. He spent his whole life serving the people of Fiji with honesty, humility, and foresight. For him, leadership is not about making himself rich or famous. It is a great leadership that requires hard work and sacrifice. As Ratu Sukuna famously said, the test of our worth is the service we render. These words are still very important for us today. They remind us that true leadership is not measured by what we get, but by what we give to others. Even when he was young, he knew that education was the key to success. He traveled overseas to study, becoming one of first Fijian to get a university education abroad. He faced many challenges and a foreign time in a foreign country, but he never gave up. He stayed focused because he knew that knowledge was a tool needed to build a stronger Fiji. His vision was way ahead of his time. He dreamed of a Fiji where people of all races and backgrounds could live together in peace. He believed in unity, respect, and teamwork among all communities. Whenever our country faced many difficult times, he used his calm mind and wise word to bring people together. That is why we honor him today, not as a chief, but as a visionary leader. Visionary leadership means seeing hope where others see problems. It means standing strong when things get tough. It means working hard today so we can have a better tomorrow. And most importantly, it means leading others with honesty, kindness, and wisdom. Ladies and gentlemen, our world today faces many big problems. We see the effects of climate change, poverty, division, and the loss of our important tradition. As a young people, we are growing up in a fast world where technology and social media change everything quickly. In times like this, Fiji needs visionary leaders more than ever before. We need leaders who tell the truth, leaders who actually listen to people, leaders who unite us instead of dividing us, leaders who protect our environment and respect our tradition, leaders who think about the future Fiji, but not just about today. Ratu Sukuna once said, "We are the leaders of the people. On us is the duty of pointing out to them the right course." This message is not about politician or adult. It is a message for every single one of us, even us as a year-age student. We do not have to wait until we have grown up to be adults. We can lead through action every single day right here in school. When we show respect, we lead. When we help a classmate who is struggling with their schoolwork, we lead. When we say no to bullying and standing up for what is right, we lead. And when we study hard and make our parents proud, we lead. True leadership starts from the small daily choices that show your good character. Ladies and gentlemen, Ratu Sukuna knew that development and modern technology should never make us lose our identity. He encouraged all Fijians to be proud of their culture, language, and their values. Today, as a young Fijian, it is our job to protect our rich heritage. Our diversity is in our hand. This Fiji is blessed because we have different cultures, tradition, faiths living in one family. This is the exact dream that leaders like Ratu Sukuna work so hard to build. As we celebrate visionary leaders today, let us ask ourselves an important question. What kind of leaders will we want to become? Will we be leaders who cause arguments or leaders who bring peace? Will we think about ourselves, or will we choose to help others? Will we give up when school works get hard, or race with courage and determination? The future of Fiji is in our hand. One day, the students sitting in this room will become the next generation of doctors, teachers, officers, business workers, farmers, or even the Prime Minister of Fiji. But no matter what job you choose, let the values of Ratu Sukuna guide you. Lead with honesty, lead with humility, lead with bravery, lead with respect, and always lead with service. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are not just celebrating facts of history books about Ratu Lala Sukuna. We are celebrating the values he lived by. His life proves that one person with a clear vision and a good heart can change the future of a whole nation. As we honor his legacy, let us promise to keep walking the path he made for us. Let us be young leaders who bring hope, young leaders who study hard, young leaders who protect peace and unity, and young leaders who build a brighter and better Fiji for the future. In closing, I leave you once again with his timeless word: the test of our worth is the service we render. May we all strive to serve our families, our school, and our beautiful nation with pride and humility. May the spirit of visionary leaders guide you forward. Vanayaliyali, and may God bless Fiji.
Gatal mandar baga susule bu turanga kena marama kibei vema andi mainan rauni be public school. Rasuli sakati kon lei baka vina ka sini baga yanga inon roi baga itabe ni simen kuwa. Wale lebu sukra tangi buas na turanga na tivitongo na turanga na tivitongo. Rasuli sakati ko lei baga vina kan. Dua tal mandar kinda baga susule bu turanga kena marama be vema andi mainan rauni ibe public school. Era bugini kena main garba rosati kon nai kerua. Nebe sisibi bosa na singa binagani kuwa ia turanga kena marama sana toso me baka kena nonda rongovi rete kon nanu benda era nonda sa tiga butalanga merekilati ko mai no beika erambo bata buli tu na yalo yalo beika mimbita toka ne tala sambali Ratu Sukuna rau me dembira bita bata baka bola baka bosa karkampura tiga weekenda ena singa binagani kuwa turanga kena marama mana korni buli na Wai Secondary School. Turang kena maram total kena mga sosole bu kibai sailosi in the way and the tiga buto manda mai nene mai kandabu dal dewa ni kine sanora iongo and the sana rong sarmanda kine sana turanga kon nanronga sailosi in the way mai na Wai Secondary School total mata kena mga sosole bu turanga kena marama.
Simon Sinek once said, and I quote, "Leadership is not about being in charge. It is about taking care of those in your charge," unquote. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, parents, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka to you all. Imagine a Fiji without leaders, a Fiji without people brave enough to guide the communities during hardship, a Fiji without visionaries who believed that our islands could become stronger, united, and respected among nations. Would the Fiji we know today even exist? Today, here at Churchill Park, as we celebrate Ratu Lala Sukuna Day, we honor a man whose vision shaped our nation and whose courage inspired generations. I stand proudly before you as Salosi from Wai Secondary School to speak on this year's theme, the vision to build and the courage to lead. Dear audience, Ratu Josefa Lalabalavu Vanayaliyali Sukuna was a Fijian chief, scholar, soldier, and a statesman. He lived from 22nd April 1888 to 30th May 1958. He was the Turanga Talai Nikovana as Secretary of Fijian Affairs and Speaker of the Legislative Council from 1956 to 1958, the year he retired and died. On his traditional chieftain status, he was the Turangana Tuilau. Ratu Sukuna was accredited as a man of two worlds. He was the bridge between Fijian historical past and the modern world. Almost single-handedly, he was responsible for the formulation of the Fijian administration, the Native Lands and Fisheries Commission, and the Native Land Trust Board. He was a visionary leader whose legacy continues to inspire us and guide us. Ratu Sukuna was more than a chief. He was a builder of hope, champion of education, and a leader who understood Fiji's greatest strength was its people. At a time when our nation was still developing, he saw possibilities where others saw limitations. He believed that with unity, discipline, and education, Fiji could rise. The great African leader Nelson Mandela once said, and I quote, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world," unquote. Ratu Sukuna believed exactly the same. He encouraged young Fijians to pursue education because he knew that classrooms would produce the future leaders of Fiji. Today, as students, we are beneficiaries of the path he helped create. Every lesson we learn is part of the vision he once dreamed about our country. But vision alone is not enough. A person may dream of success, peace, or progress, but without courage, those dreams remain only words. Courage is what turns vision into reality. Walt Disney once said, and I quote, "All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them," unquote. Ratu Sukuna had that courage. He served Fiji with loyalty and wisdom during difficult times. He united people, strengthened traditional leadership, and helped lay the foundation for modern Fiji. He showed us that true leadership is not about personal gain. It is about serving others with humility. Today, Fiji faces new challenges. We see rise of drugs destroying young lives. We see violence, cyberbullying, school dropouts, and division in communities. These problems cannot be solved by leaders alone. They require every young person to step forward with courage and responsibility. My fellow students, leadership begins with small actions. When we respect our teachers, we lead. When we help a struggling friend, we lead. When we choose honesty instead of cheating, we lead. When we stand against bullying and violence, we lead. That is the kind of leadership Fiji needs today. As young people, we must become builders of unity in our schools and communities. Fiji is a beautiful nation made up of different cultures, language, and traditions. Our diversity is not a weakness, it is our strength. Just as Ratu Sukuna worked to bring people together, we too must build bridges of understanding and respect. The late Ratu Kamisesemara once reminded our nation that leadership requires service and sacrifices. Those values remain important today. Real leaders are not remembered for how much power they had, but for how much good they did for others. So today, let us ask ourselves, what vision do we have for Fiji? Will we build a nation of peace, discipline, and opportunity? Will we have the courage to lead by example? My fellow students, the future of Fiji is not waiting somewhere far. The future is sitting here in this stadium. The next generation of teachers, nurses, farmers, engineers, pastors, athletes, and leaders are among us right now. If we carry the values of Ratu Kamisesemara, wisdom, humility, discipline, and service, then Fiji's future will continue to shine brightly. And before I end, I want us to all remember something important. One day, our names may be forgotten. Our school uniforms will fade. Our trophies may gather dust, but the kindness we show, the lives we touch, the courage we display for our people and our nation, those things will live on. Maybe among us today stands a future Prime Minister of Fiji. Maybe a future teacher who will inspire children in remote villages. Maybe a doctor who will save lives. Maybe a leader who will unite our nation during difficult times. But leaders does not begin tomorrow. It begins today. It begins with us. So let us rise with vision in our minds, courage in our hearts, and love for Fiji in our souls. As we honor Ratu Selala today, let us not only look back in admiration, but look forward with purpose. Let his life remind us that leadership begins with self at home, that knowledge and hard work can take us anywhere, that our land can sustain us, and that our culture defines us, because it is God-given and inspired by him. May we continue to raise leaders like Ratu Sukuna, visionary, grounded, and devoted to the land and its people. In Ratu Sukuna's life, we honor the Creator who gave us this land. To him, we give glory for our son, for our son of the land whose life was well lived. As I conclude, I leave you with this powerful reminder from Mahatma Gandhi, and I quote, "Be the change that you wish to see in the world," unquote. May we become the generation that builds with wisdom, leads with courage, and lives Fiji better than we found it. Vinaka Bakalevu, and may God bless our beloved Fiji.
Dr. Mandara Sosole Buturang akin marama kibai selo sindawai mai na wai secondary school. Rasolia sagati konai baka bina non bagai tavian singale uni singa bina kuah. Na turangan na ito kay Windilo. Ramai seli sagati konai baka yang akin baka bina ka. Ina na mai bagai tavi tiko selo sindawai mai na wai secondary school na verbo ka verbo mai na sana baka turanga konan runga. Sana tosarani bikin sana bekani woti ngani ruan ngani boli rona bai tavi tiki bikin dan nekavani singa bina kuah. Dua talman tanah baka sosol lebu kibai bilisi bulabo Ratu mai na tilak high school lah ngone lewa vabu sagati kamai nesa na baka turanga komba. Dua talman tanah baka sosol lebu turanga kena marama. Ya bikin tanah bekani vabu ni bina kata itu baka lebu nono muni bosota. Dokan nang ulang tigang ko salah tahu baka tikin kin na nabai sisi bosa. Anu itu sagati ko anin tanah dua bat sagati ko en kematakan sing lebu ni sing bina kantai.
Dear listeners, Ratu Sukuna once said, and I quote, "The destiny of a nation depends on the character of its people," unquote. Great nations are not built by chance. They are built by leaders with vision, people with courage, and individuals who are willing to sacrifice for a future greater than themselves. The Honorable Chief Guest, invited guest, the chairperson, my fellow orators, and dear audience, warm greetings and Nisam Bulavinaka to you all. Today, under the skies of Churchill Park, we gather to honor a visionary, a leader whose wisdom had shaped the soul of our beloved Fiji. We celebrate the life and legacy of Ratu Selala Sukuna under the theme, and I quote, the vision to build and the courage to lead, unquote. But I ask you today, what does it truly mean to lead? Is it about power? Is leadership about titles? Or is it about the sacrifice, service, and the courage to carry a nation forward, even through uncertainties? Ratu Sukuna understood this deeply. At a time when Fiji stood at the crossroad of change, Ratu Sukuna became the bridge between traditions and modernity. He once believed that change must come to Fiji, but that it must come slowly and wisely so the people would move forward together without losing their identity, culture, and values. Ladies and gentlemen, Ratu Sukuna was not born into easy times. Yet, through education, discipline, hard work, and determination, he rose to become one of Fiji's greatest statesmen. He studied at the Oxford University, fought bravely in World War I, and became the first Fijian university graduate. But despite his achievements, he never forgot his people. He believed that education was the key to nation building. He believed that unity was stronger than division. He believed that a flourishing Fiji could only be built when all races and communities come together and work with mutual respect. And today, as we stand here in 2026, we must ask ourselves, are we protecting the Fiji that Ratu Sukuna dreamed of? Are we building bridges or walls? Are we using our education for ourselves? Or are we going to use it to uplift our communities and our nation? My fellow Fijians, look around. Our nation faces many challenges. Climate change threatens our islands. Drugs destroy young lives. Violence divides families. And many young people are losing hope today. But if there is one thing Ratu Sukuna taught us, is that Fiji has always risen through courage and unity. Imagine the sacrifices he made while preserving Fijian culture, while preparing Fiji for the future. The sacrifices he made, sleepless nights spent thinking about generations that he could not live to see with his own eyes. The future of Fiji does not lie in parliaments only, or in the hands of leaders. The future of Fiji sits in classrooms. It walks through villages and settlements. It stands on rugby fields. And it sings in school choirs. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of Fiji is us. The legacy of Ratu Sukuna is not behind us. It lives within us. Let us build a Fiji where every child has hope. A Fiji where our cultures are protected. And a Fiji that Ratu Sukuna himself would be proud to call home. I leave us with a verse from the Bible. From the book of Joshua, chapter 1, verse 9, and I quote, "Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you may go." Unquote. Thank you, Vanayaliyali and Tanya Vat.
Doutor Mandar Sosole, Boturanga Kinamaramaki, Vilisi, Bulabo Ratu, my Tilak High School, Karan Maisoliatico, Naivaka, Vinavaka, Noravagata, and the same Ranikua, Naturanga Minister, Veka Bagaito, the Honorable Minister, Ifremi Vasu, and a single when sing. Doctor Mandar Sosole, Boturanga, Kinamarama, Kibe Vilisi, Bulabo Ratu. Doctor Mandar Sosole, we can say Bekani Saboleka, di Kakurilenga. Na ibaga lomo binaka na wai mo li telengai sana baga romai mo ni na leita vengo kina ni vapa na nomuni wa wande de toka ni kako telenga ngwela dava na mata meke mai na waka nanga mai tinia tibe kenta na baga marota ki na single ni simen Dr. Mandar Boso Sole boturanga kena barama ki be bilisi bolabo Ratu. Mai laselebu mai naita siri en korni buli na Vatu Kaula Primary School nai wati ni ngole buli mana mai bagai tai be kenda turanga kena marama verbo kena hane lewan domandron do baga sosolebu ki be laite leku.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, respected leaders and my dear friends, today I stand before you to speak about something greater than ambition, greater than success, and even greater than power itself. I stand to speak about the vision to build, the courage to lead. Every generation is remembered by people who dared to rise beyond fear and beyond limitation. History does not celebrate those who wait for the perfect moment. It remembers those who had the courage to create the moment. Leadership has never always been about titles, wealth, or position. A true leadership starts with a vision strong enough to inspire heart, awaken hope, and move people towards a better tomorrow. But vision alone is never enough. Many people can dream, but few have the courage to pursue their dream when the road gets difficult. Courage is what transforms vision into reality. Courage is what allows ordinary people to achieve extraordinary things. The vision to build, the courage to lead is not just an idea, but a journey of becoming. In this journey, something beautiful happens, and we are shaped by it. Vision sharpens our direction, courage strengthens our spirit. Let this thought remain in every heart present, that vision is the beginning of change, courage is the bridge of action, and leadership is what we offer to the world, refusing to give up on what we think is possible. So I encourage all of you today to dream boldly, stand firmly, and lead fiercely. Vanayaliyali.
Turanga kina maramang do talamanda na baka susulebu. Kibay leite liko may naitasiri. Tumber sa tiga may na kurni buli. Na batu kaula primary school. Orang sa tiga na kina may soli na baka binabinakan na ibaka binabinakan na ramay bagay tabi. And singlebu ni simunan kon. Do talamanda na baka susulebu. Turanga kina marama leite liko. Era may sulia sa katiko na yuto tini baka binabinaka wan ngoni buli may bagay tayo sa katiko bikian tan single binangali ko na turangan na prime minister bay buki ano nang tabon mo karabulang indo kay saratal tiko nga ano nang song ne single binangali ko turanga kena marama William ngaboka sulia sa katiko na baka binabinaka kibay late liko may na Batu Kaula Primary School. Dua talaman na mga susalebu turanga kena marama. Dua talaman na mga susalebu. Pinapakalew bikim dong nabu bale. Nabi susu binakati ko may bale. Rami mo tanah putik sakit ko ni single binakatay. Yo turanga kina marama dorbo kina ngonele bagata la kina bikim ni lain. Nui taka ni marutaka. Katali taka nanda sangko de kawni sibilan ko esa na pagaraw talangango. Merna may songa tabagan do tigani. Nanda sangko langi nangone bolu sina mata meke main nawaka. Ya nimberong gori nirto buka sukali strategi main na ibang lesi na yan di bingkara bisa tonggori. Au bungan raba me tarong ay bikim ni ndona taro ke bagay ko kila ngole so may so na taro. Ena kay soli bigan ndona no weekend ni ndona mo biar to pagaro tangtongo na tempat bagay to kay erto na sulen to no bido sulen sino mga may so may to na tarongo kay bagay ko rin so mabikem ni ngani buli na taron le bagay tarong itingo dakila kay sartunga go kay dalapuna yang garawikina na matay ni korni buli tu beridekin na turangan na italay sambale dabutamay na ada ni korni buli nang ngaunoya sabi so nang ngaunongo dabutamay na ada ni korni buli nang ngaunoya kaya bagaw kila ngole may ningol may siya ningol talaga binibig sa manataro ningol may nangay do tar na taro na so liwi ke ni member leta na turang leta sampal dorbo ningol may ni bulu binaka adene damu Nintur may bangko, mentor rey ni bangko ri, nama tani tambah merri dikem ni talang ngoir nasar sar to mai, ene besi biti kene besi bro. Ni toro bani bei.
Toro ni biwa.
Biwa mai bei.
Biwa ya sawa.
Biwa ya sawa. Nama tani ni korni boli, katu beri tege mikina na turanga talai sambale. Mai bei.
Na wairuku.
Na wairuku riba, wairuku factory, wairuku building, wairuku apa? Wairuku apa?
Primary school.
Wairuku primary school neta nangonongo, neta paneta nangono ya. Wairuku apa? Rosang.
Okay, binawalevo. Wai ruku Indian school na koni buli era tumbele vegeni kena. Ngole ni sentong gori be Josefa resule kono bigo bigo non peni kero no bibola. Me mo pakaya ngasakatiko. Ni rato bura tigo mai na mata mekelevo mai na waka turanga kena waramando manda kena no bosa selevo be era to na mata lawa. Na waka dance group. Kambu kain na waka dance group. Umatrekera mai kambu kai koromba non rakamu na tunoka erna mai vivo marote con te kibi kendra kam suni bon total madara masa sulamu sautal madara Lautoka. Rey de Lewa, Rey de Lewa, Rey de Lewa.
Thank you.
Dotal mantar mga susulebu turang kena marama. Kamu yang korang kalian tahu mungkin mamarot aktivitas anda ni kami ni sibuk ni kuah. Anu nak kamu nak tuin lawaka. Iya, senang pakar tolong komen dan lagi restal tiada kerua kini ketolong ni wasu-wasu di bawah mamarot taki. En single ni single menaga ini kaku ni lengga. Na ibu pakar lomba naga muni leitaving kina sana pakar hotel tengah menangga unonggo. Muni nilangga ibu pakar leitaving tu kina ni tak pernah nonton patah susua. Sau telah Lautoka sau. Saru imol molo murong lele kila saru tu pengen mengon pas ngeliat we. Untuk telah telah bos sau lebu kami sana bekani. Untuk telah bos sau lebu. Sautiko Lautoka, sautiko. Warga tigo beke muni nanti besar cuma dengor, besar baru sampai dengan telangan dengor ini mata mikenggo. Sampai pakar Lautoka mikiri. Ya bila bang bikin dosa karena leweni kambari na eagle eye kantung karawat siguna scaffold ngoy na nondarara kiri kiri bentuk bentuk ngole lagi bentuk mai kiri pakai rasa binaka kiri pakai siang iyo alsan luitaka eagle eye kiri kiri bentuk bentuk ngole lagi bentuk mai. Ya sauti bikin sana biakani sauti ko yang kau nama tini mereka bir atau nazarbo. Tangkai pakai ronggo minta raida minta seraba nama tini mereka mai bir atau nama rama mesana tersiren lo menira ronggo. Sauti ko Lautoka, sauti ko. Rai de lewa, rai de lewa, rai de lewa. Dotal mandar bago susole buturang akena marama virtual mata meke mai tomani bago resakati ko nabi bago marota ke kenda ne kabni sia mani ko no itaken no marota ka thala ita sakati ko nakena mai marota ke tiko sangole bu ni Ratu Sukuna dei na yesas bagrango na siti ni suka kam da kai Lautoka nakena rara na gongo na Churchill Park no itaken no marota ka thala ita sakati ko nondo songo ene kabni single bu singa nakari ko Dotal mandar bago susole buturang akena marama en la bukan lebih bagai marota king karena betul kalau sing lebih sing mereka tahu. Turanga kena maramanto telmadana baga sosol lebo beira tau namate lawan nakambu kai karamba dance group. Nita kierto selatan tu kierto separate katal cingmai wawa. Se voci kona be baga marota kiana non ratu tanga. Mer tau na talu baga talu mandamai baga lili bekianda. En sing lebo ni sing bina kantai. Dua telmadana baga sosol lebo turanga kena marama nakambu kai karamba. Si ko isanggo nakambo na non nakambo sa katiko na turanga na tino aka ramai be baga maro te to kina na kena mata me ke toka en single level single na kendai en retiro tu mai na sarbonua en moi ranon bonua gotal ngai do birando ba maro te kira en non do ser bonua er do ngai de sa mai en non do bono lo mai lebih do tala mata baga sosol le turanga kena marama erto sahura en namrama mai nama mata me ke nakambo ke koromba. Rei da Loa, sauti ngoma Lautoka, sauti ngoma Lautoka. Dotal mandar mo sole bo turanga kena marama kambu ke koromba tomani ba kuri tika na be maro te be kanda ne kabri singa menagandai ne wo soto tokai donga ngong le ngosaro ne ni siro sumbu kina moni le bakang takana wai ni moli batam bata enan raki kata kata ai nonton maka turanga kena marama dotal mandar mo sole bo ke berto na mate lolongo na kambu ke koromba. Turanga kina maramando talamanda na vaga sausule bu berto na matelala na kambo ke koromba na kenai vakarau vakavanua da kelaitani kina na kau itu ke and the visulte kina ningarabewati na vakatau susu gendungara venduan kamunanga vakatoka isakatiko se ko songori na ilu ni besa mendareda na sarau sarmanda na keni vakarau na ngarabisakatiko ena single ni sing na kentai.
Moto ko i werelevu inalangi. Talenda rangi-rangi na mo levu na tuina waga urusa koru bana singa ni gua. Narule matai valu vanua re marorane no no nya busa itini garua. Resau bagina no na kelewa ina mbongi ngana singa. Mai roga tagi na ke yalo ina singa bina ni kua. Tau tangwana itugu-tugu ina ndarata ina singa ni kua na kela isolevuti ina songo bita-bita. Ratu Sukuna dei salai bandundu tagi na singa ni kua lai kwaseti no kana ndarata inarule mata kambu ni vanua mai koromba mai rongono elio ina ndarata ina Churchill Park ina lutunia bi di singa ni kua rasabi baka talamai na momona ministani bi baka itauke nandele ni abu ki valende inga na len rei no na momona tu yawe sangili tirugem no ina singa ni kua kana momo na bulangi to kai na ko dalebu na delenya bulebi na kuru garwe lau batu lenda irangi na momo na kwalebu na tuina ronga kana ke bindelenya butambu rasangili na singa ni kuwa mengu mailabe ile na yau kubare mbudi ai werelebu ina langi na lendra no na momo na tuina waga sanya rigi wema sa te liba ni besa adaka ni bingo rabi na ke amaroro itune itobo nei bagarau bi bagai sulu na kalau lebi na rulem deleni banua mai roga tagi na ke yalo ina singa ni kuwa tugundi watagi kana ke yalo ina mindi me sakasakani tana ke binano na banua ina ke bagarau kana ke balabala sake yaung gila bete na singa ni gua mangagai sewa ngina rainu itagi ni ene urnandani na mata binandu bagalebu na marro itu nei tobo nei bagarau mai roga tagi na singa ni gua sena tata ni abalengwa mengu nangai mai gwaya e tile tangwana ge tata na inagi ni batu ni banua na iliba ni besa sabi na mele sume uru na ge tata ina banua werelebu na langi na len raino na momo lebu na tuina waga orusarangi na ge kalau sudu tamata ina singa ni kuai na banua mata katu
Watu ni werelevu, watu ni matantovici. Eda bichakota na werelevu na langi na babi na binalevu. E kwa muninga na werelevu na langi da betarake. Ale itavi. Menda ngwaravi na tavi ndu e bidodoke. Amatantu na sana wana ndu. Ya sada bicha na werelevu na langi na babi na bina. La mitarake na watu ni wano na iliba ni besa na babi na binalevu. Sa labe na lemutu watu ni wanua. Iwerlebu na langi mata na momo na tuina waka. Sala ibo na kaludo ala me bakalunga tekinia. Da maro tekinia na singa ni kuwa. Akililiu na karisto mana. Iya na batu ni vanua. Na iliba ni besa na babi na bina sa tamba sa vamana taki. Tano kute bundu kedo mo gusosoya o. Orewa. Orewa. Atani. Hai baki. Naka.
Ia bila boleh bikin sangat bikin naturang akhir merama terbikin ngone leon dua talaman tanah vaga so lebu. Kebe hiro tau na mata meken na kambu ke koromba dance group ngon na kambu sangat tiga na turang na toy lawaka. Era mai viva kamaro tek sangat weekend en singa lebu ni singa bina kanikua. Ya weekend na weekandi en na main do batak sangat toka. En maro taki ni singa ki Ratu Sukuna en singa lebu ni singa bina kaintai. Na viva kan dei taki ni sa pakarau sangat taltungan na itavengu. We have refreshments ready for you. Kaya kau sana nungo mo sana may bagang atakan na itavengo sen na bagang loma binakan refreshments men na bagang bulong-bulong tanga kina bagang lilay nombula kapakatalanga kina nomni ngoleani en numuni be tiko na bogale bumbuye bisai na bogale bumbuye bisai na be bamarota kien na kabini sebunani kwa na sabogale bona kiana matani tiko kiana lubo somutiko na itobongore be ira na isoso bo keno waka en be singa ni mataka en da sanande osarani be rauna rama rosa wabutu e matanda melikilangi watake lusi merauna bogale si kenda telani ka boga kin da boga bena tiko be ira na sar tiko mai en singele buni singa bena dai.
Nimbule bena tale na sar tiku mai en FPC TV kabakaki na bekim na sar tiku mai en volumate ni non matini tu na Fijian government. Sandi na sara na bika keve na tikibu na en mai vava talenga. Ene matani ko ki ma nana ma ki mai enda nana ma ki vata en singini boga vengi vengi de tiwakina. Na kena mai bona no mina non rombula na turanga na italai sambale kena bika lelebu bika veve bika bibinaka era baga yo tekira tiwakina ka bona no mitukina ena yambaki. Na ikaw yan ang baki yung gonda po ni binatati ko na turang na minista ni Bika bagay 2K kaya na ba kilisi-lisi ena na tubo ka muli ba kikinendo na ulutanga menda ulutanga patakina se menda na banana no takina no no bola na turang na italay sambali na vili taki rayawa kaya butaki ena yalonganga ena kena na numikobiti kena kaumbula bekenda na sarsariti kumai wamboti ninda na daubangande watatikani na mbimbi ni buli na mbimbi ni nondo vi maliwai bo kani ke na mbimbi ni venga rabiraramba na velu taki binaka menda ndo bata ba matini tu boba noa baka vi kani me baka wakatu manda en sengani mati indua ke sengana kena mena en mati nga ke sengana vi kani kito bombota kenda bombota kanda boni ni ne sengani daba ngake ni sama daba na songo mbimbi songo na maki songo ndaba bo roma kina bo mbimbi veira revive bak na songo ngo kena mai marota kena moi rani non topo na Churchill Park na Ratu Sukuna de na kena singani baka vengi sama daba na songo mbimbi ngo ka boni ni ne sengani daba ke na ulutanga mbimbi vanana no take se tubu kate kenda wana no mekina no rombula na turang na talay sambale en yambaki ngo menda nando bande ataka na mbimbi ni buli ke na mbimbi ni nonda sema bewe kani ke bakakina na mbimbi ni nonda vengarabi en ayalandina mebakani ra turang ayalandina mbimbi taka na buli kara semata bobe na vaka bo matini tu bobe noa mbimbi tiko na buli.
The vision, once again, the vision to build the courage to lead. Today, the people of Lautoka put those powerful words into action, and with the Ratu Sukuna Day progression from Churchill Park to Churchill Park with the march, I would say today's celebration was really unique and as well as happened in a truly inclusive and as well as uniting way. As we united traditional leaders, government and as well as younger generation, government officials rather, civil society and younger generations. But looking back at today's celebration, I would say, you know what, we looked at a life of an incredible person, an inspiring person to build a brighter and a more harmonious, I would say, future for all Fijians. So thank you to everyone who marched, cheered, and joined us online in person today, and I hope you enjoyed today as well.
My brother bari na songo ni kwa na viva marota kitotoka rutona matilala na kambu ne kei koromba ni mbule bena na turanga na tuina waka bobe bena tekiti na nomni boga yo bondonu ya merto mai bibo marotaki na mata me kitotoka a indibiti ni moirani non benua me bakani isaki ni non sarvanua na bibo marotaki ara kelitani kina na kanda na moirani non benua da bone bena tekira na mai tiko na buni songo bimbiongo bena bali wikem ni saka na ibu ni prime minister ni non matini tu karata turanga minister talanga ni sarvanua ena non benua ena nomni boga yo moni mai bulang yang tokai ena songo bimbi ni kuah benang bali bekem ni na turang na minister ni bikaba ke 2K bekem ni na buni bola tunde beira na matin ve mataki ersatiko no non benua kara mai tiki ni songo ni ndai no non bona no matiko na Ratu Sukuna de yesama ivava da boni benata kirtala na wani buli na non robosa na bika sambo kila membaleta na turanga rayawongo na turanga na talay sambale na veka rasakila era dura ka veki mami weekenda na sar ting na FBC TV wakaki na bata ni Facebook page ni mati nanda mati ni tu na veka era sambo kila kabuli da kanta baga nui ni randa ukoto bata tu ni keira na ve singa ni mataka sama idava babani mananta itiga na nanda mati ni tu vekem do na tambani ni bako itu ni nanda mati ni tu na kena vale leviani na songo bimbiongo rao mera sarabata langa mai na bata ni FBC TV na singa ni kwa sama idava mana Churchill Park sabon ni tu yani ni dana maro tak na boni singa ni kwa kena baka dangi